Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to another episode of Sew In, Sew Out, the Ins and Out. In today's video, we are looking at 3 elastic composition. So if you are new to sewing or interested in learning to sew, this is for you. Check out the description box for the link to the BambiPattern Kids category, the Chanel dress and top pattern. Elastics. Elastic made of cotton and rubber are the most durable. High-quality elastic maintain their original width even when stretched. And when applied to a garment, the high-quality elastic has a tendency to snap back to their natural length. Ever heard of the adjective braided, woven, and knit? Well, these words describe the 3 basic elastic types. The elastic description is based on various construction methods. In other words, how the yarn is processed produces different types of elastic. Elastic bands that are commonly used are: number 1, knit elastic. The knit elastic is the softest of the elastics and is made by knitting the fiber together. The knit elastic retains its width when it is stretched. The knit elastic can easily be used directly onto a fabric and sewn through it. The knit elastic is suitable only for light to mid-weight fabrics, as it does not have the sturdiness required to be used with heavier fabrics. The knit elastic tends to roll, however, the rolling tendency is less than what you'll find with the braided elastic. Number 2, braided elastics. The braided elastic is sturdy, which makes it a great option for garments that are worn often. However, its sturdiness means that the elastic tends to narrow as it's stretched, and it tends to lose its stretch if it's sewn through it, when sewing directly onto fabric. The braided elastic has a coarse texture due to its parallel, lengthy ridges. The feel of it against one's skin may not be pleasant, therefore it is best sewn into a neckline or sleeves or narrow waistband casings. The braided elastic tends to roll, so you may have heard me mention the word narrow waistband. Emphasis on the adjective narrow, where the elastic may be restricted from its rolling characteristics. Number 3, woven elastics. The woven elastic is a heavyweight, shrink-resistant, no-roll elastic. The woven elastic features a horizontal pull that stretches lengthwise. This elastic retains its shape and remains flat when stretched. The woven elastic can be sewn onto a fabric by sewing through it or used in a casing easily. The woven elastic is the firmest of the 3 types of elastics and provide more support to heavier weight fabric. It is recommended to cut the exact waistband measurement when using it for waistband casings. The link to the Chanel dress and top is in the description box. Until next time, smiles and laughter, BambiPatterns.